On a stormy night in October 2000, Singapore Airlines Flight 006 prepared for its takeoff at Taipei's Chiang Kai-shek International Airport. A powerful typhoon was sweeping through the region, unleashing strong winds and torrential rain. As the flight crew coordinated with air traffic control, a moment of miscommunication led to a fateful error. The runway designated for Flight 006 was closed for construction, littered with heavy machinery obscured by the driving rain. Unaware of the danger, the flight crew lined up the Boeing 747, carrying 159 souls on board, at the wrong runway. The pilots, focused on fighting the typhoon's fierce forces, initiated the takeoff sequence. The plane roared forward, accelerating down the runway, but within seconds, a terrifying realization struck. Out of the gloom, construction vehicles loomed ahead, unavoidable obstacles on the darkened runway. Panic erupted in the cockpit as the pilots desperately tried to avert disaster. Passengers, oblivious to the unfolding catastrophe, were jarred by the thunderous sound of impact as the aircraft collided with the equipment. Sparks flew as the right wing tore, and flames engulfed the fuselage. Confusion and alarm filled the cabin. Emergency lights flickered as smoke thickened and screams of urgency echoed throughout. Flight attendants sprang into action, guiding passengers toward the exits. Yet, with visibility obscured and the structural integrity compromised, chaos ensued. As firefighters and rescue teams battled the elements to reach the scene, the tragedy of Flight 006 became apparent. Although the rescue efforts managed to save a remarkable number of occupants amidst the wreckage, the fate of many was already sealed. The aftermath was one of mourning and inquiry. Investigations questioned how a series of human errors had spiraled into such catastrophe, leading to changes in aviation protocols worldwide. Flight 006's legacy became a solemn reminder of the ever-important vigilance required in aviation operations, especially in challenging weather conditions. The tragic accident emphasized the critical need for clarity in communication and heightened awareness during flights, a lesson paid for at a heartbreaking cost.